Okay guys, I wanted to make another quick video here on how to change the server administration password for those of you who have access to that, and if you don't, you most likely will soon, being that it seems that I'm usually busy. So once you log in, you're going to see a control panel that basically looks just like this, and most of you are only going to have access to the default config files right here. So this is for you guys who never changed the admin passwords before. You'll go ahead and click default config files and SWAT for dedicated server INI. Be sure under text editor click edit, not under config editor. Give it a second to load, and this is exactly what it brings up. Be sure not to change anything else other than what's listed here. And the easiest way to change the password is to go back into the form, click super admin, that way you know what both passwords are, and it says the password is king. So highlight king, go back to the config editor and press Control F. It brings up this bar down here at the bottom, which will allow you to search for a specific string or word and just put in king. That's not it, obviously, so hit next. Whoops, there we go. And it should say server admin password, and it shows that right now it's set to king. You can change this to whatever you think would be a good password. In this case, I'll just do let me think here. I'll just put in something random like 2012. Just something somewhat simple. Same exact thing for the normal admin password. I'll just go back to form, click admin password, and its password is night. So in my little box, I'll just put night. Oh, and it has a space. It didn't recognize that. And there's night. So I can change that to, I'll just put Templar. Hit save. It'll save those changes. And then it's saved, but it hasn't taken effect yet. So you need to go back up at the top where it says SWAT for 10 slot servers. Click that and click restart, and the server will restart with those changes to take effect. And that just about covers it for this one, guys. Any other questions, be sure to let me know. And be sure not to change any other settings in that file, because it can severely mess up the server.